Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I am so excited today. I'm excited. Guess what I got? I would like to get to know if I could be that kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something. Okay, so today, this video, if you can tell by the title, it is about Mo Knows Hair Curl Collection hair products that she just released. I believe it was released on October 1st. Now, if you do not know Mo Knows Hair, sis, I need you to be up to date, okay? I need you to come from underneath a rock. I need you to, like, you know, open up your mind, see some things, because sis, Mo Knows Hair knows hair, okay? So if you do not already know, Mo Knows Hair is a natural hair influencer as well as a licensed cosmetologist, okay? She is one of the OGs of the natural hair community, okay? So today I grabbed some goodies from Sally's because she just released all these products at Sally's Beauty's the beginning of October, and I believe some Sally's actually got it towards the end of September, but I was able to get my hand on some products. Now I did see, okay, I did see that Sally actually have a sale on her product, her entire line right now, for 4 products for $20. $20 for 4. That's $5 per product, okay? So when I went to my Sally's Beauties, they didn't have all the products because obviously everybody heard about, you know, Mo Knows Hair products coming out. So some things were missing. So I decided to go online and I purchased some things that was missing, also some duplicates, you know, just in case I like it, you know. It's $5. So I got my goodie bag right here. So I actually got 3 products from her collection that I actually purchased from Sally Beauty store itself, but I actually bought 2 other different products online. So the first product I have is the curl setting gel, and then I have the curl smoothing pudding, and then also the curl styling potion. Now online I actually purchased the deep conditioner and the primer, the leave-in conditioner primer, but these were the only one that was available to me in store. So let's talk about each product in detail. So the first product I'm going to talk about is the Curl Styling Potion, and this is a 2-in-1 leave-in conditioner and styler with soft hold. It nourishes and hydrates with this potion of botanicals and essential oils to give the curls volume, moisture, and shine. So the key ingredients to this styling potion is apricot and argan oil and marshmallow roots for moisture and shine. So the next product is the Curl Smoothing Pudding, and this hydrates with a medium hold. This rich styler makes twist outs, which I love a good twist out, or any style you create smooth and defined with flexible hold and beautiful bounce. So the key ingredients in this is apricot and metal foam oil and mango butter for conditioning and shine. And the last product we have is the Curl Setting Gel, and this is supposed to tame frizz and define with medium hold, fight frizz and define curls without the crunch. No crunch, okay? So it's good to set with wash and goes or twist your strands for a beautiful shiny finish. And the key ingredients in this is also apricot and argan oil with wheat protein for hold and shine. So I'm going to use these 3 products on doing a twist out, and we're going to see how Mo Knows Hair, if she really knows hair. I really want to see how well these products work on my type for natural hair. So if you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. Okay you guys, so if you can tell, I obviously did just get out the shower. I completely washed my hair and deep conditioned my hair. Now Mo Knows Hair actually do have a shampoo as well as a conditioner and a deep conditioner, but I did not purchase those items because they didn't even have them in my store. So but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and divide my hair into these 4 sections before we get started. Okay you guys, so I divided my hair into 4 sections. So the first product I'm going to use is the Mo Knows Hair Curl Styling Potion, and this is a 2-in-1 leave-in conditioner and styler. So I'm just going to use this as a leave-in conditioner for today and not just to style my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and start on this back section, and I also have my spray bottle if I do need a little bit more hydration. So let's give this product a good old smell test. So this product actually smells like really good. It smells like as if you're like in a salon. Like, I know her purpose with making these products is to give us salon type quality, since she is a cosmetologist. And already with the smell, I'm loving it. It's not too sweet. It's not really sweet at all. It's kind of like, it smells expensive, okay? I'm gonna just say that. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with the curl styling potion first, and this is a 2-in-1 leave-in conditioner and styler, but today I'm just gonna be using it as a leave-in conditioner and not as a styler. So this is how it looks. All right. Oh, it feels good. It almost starting to smell like a perfume scent. Like, it really smells good. Ooh, I'm a little excited. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and detangle my hair with this tangle teaser here. Okay, so just look at my curls just from the styling potion. And it feels so good. I might have to buy some more of these while they're on sale, sis. So the next product I'm going to use is the curl smoothing pudding, and so this is really good for twist outs like she said. So, and this is how it looks. So let's see here. So it's pretty thick, so it seems like it'll be perfect for a twist out. So this smells really good too, and I can actually smell like the mango in here. So this is the consistency of the actual pudding. It's creamy, but also on the thicker end. It's not watery, which I like. I'm just going to apply that to my hair. And my hair already just feels so good. Like, it just, I have a lot of slip, which we all like to slip. I'm just going to add a little bit more pudding here. I'm liking this. I feel like I'm low-key in a salon. And the last thing I'm going to use is the curl setting gel. So this is what the gel looks like. So the gel is definitely on the thinner end, but oh my gosh, y'all. Look at this. Like, I feel like if I was to do a wash and go, like, my curls are clumping. Clumping. Do you see the definition? Oh Lord. Okay, I'm getting a little bit too excited. Can't finish the twist. Since I already applied all the product onto this entire section, I'm going to go ahead and start doing the actual individual twist, and we're going to go from there. Okay, so I finished that side, so I'm going to go ahead and continue to do these other two sides. Okay, you guys, so I'm done fully twisting my hair, and I'm just going to say I really feel like Mo knew what she was doing with these products, because my hair feels super duper moisturized just with application, and it's already like penetrating my strands. Like, when I was twisting it, it looked like I had like a lot of product, and then all of a sudden, like, you don't see it no more. Like, it's just already like just seeping it all through. So yes, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just let this air dry. Of course, I'm gonna apply my perm rods per usual, and then we're gonna be back in the morning to go ahead and take this down and then talk about the results. Hey guys, it's the next day and my hair is dry. So let's see if Mo knows hair. Okay, let me stop. Alright, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and take out the super buds. Okay, you guys, so this is how my twists are looking. Nice and springy, sis. Yes, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take down these twists. Okay, you guys, so this is just the first side of my hair and I am loving it, y'all. My hair feels so good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take down the rest. Okay, y'all, look at the curls in my hair. Oh, y'all, this is good stuff. Oh, Mo knows hair. Yeah, she do. She really do. Okay, so it already looks good without even like fluffing, but of course I'm gonna fluff because I do love a lot of volume. But you guys, do you not see? Do you see this? Do you see this? This is, sis, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fluff this out. Okay, you guys. Sis, all I'm gonna say is, if you have not yet snagged you something from this curl collection from Mono's hair, and why they have a sale, sis, you missing out. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? Because this is popping. This is popping. Look at them. Look at them curls. Y'all, oh my god. I'm just like, I'm liking this. I love the pudding. I feel like, oh, I don't even know what I want to say like is my most fave for right now. I'm gonna say the styling potion, but I love the cream, obviously the pudding. It's so good. And then when you add the gel on top, it just gives you like this extra like little slip, and I like it. So, but I can't wait to get like the rest of my products that I ordered on Sallys.com. But I'm just saying, sis, if you haven't already, while this sale is going on, these products is literally like $5 a piece on sale. But even like not on sale, it's freaking $10.99, I believe, for each and every single product. And I'm like, that is like not a price that I would have expected from her. You know what I'm saying? I probably would have expected like $15, you know, something like that. But you gave us a $10.99 product. I feel like that's a typical price for natural products. And you giving us like salon quality, because sis, these curls is saying yes, boo. Get them. But so yes, if you have tried these products, go ahead and comment down below. Tell me what products are your favorite. Also tell me what you don't like, what you do like about these products. I don't really have no cons to say about these products. So you guys, if y'all did enjoy this good overview of Mono's hair curl collection, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, and also hit the like button and hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you're notified every single time when I post a new video. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and let me go hit up the streets, sis, girl, so they can see my curls. See my curls, sis.